Hello everybody, welcome to the FinTech Jep YouTube channel. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I just got in the mail this EVGA RTX 2060, brand new, so I have a couple more 2060s and let's get into it. But before we open the box, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. I will, once I put it in the mining rig, I will do a profitability video at a later date just to see how it's going. So let's get into the box. This is the box, right? You have all the specs on the back here. Again, it's a smaller box than what the other cards came in. So again, brand new. Let's see what we have here. I want to break it, I think. Out of here we have a installation guide up here, and now this is the bubble wrap. Then it's packed in some foam. And then a nice static bag. Right. Okay, so let's do the peel. This is a thick card, guys. It's a single fan, but look at it. It's so thick. The cooler is crazy on this guy. I'll take these out, and also there's no plate on the back. You can see all of the components, and it has a single 8-pin connector right here. Man, this is a thick card. So take this off as well. So I will throw it in the rig. This is it, and I will let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.